Hi everyone, thank you for joining me here today on my channel, Markets of Sunshine. And I wanted to share with you my newest slow stitch kit. And I created this family tree probably about 10 years ago. So my daughter and I worked on this together. So she came in after I did all the leaves and the little spots for the names and pictures and what have you, and then she came in and did the detail work on the actual trunk and branches of the tree for me, which I really appreciate. And so then what I've done is I've made this into a slow stitch kit project. You can use this for a heritage memory quilt, would be absolutely beautiful. And so I'm going to be printing out photos for my family, my husband, myself, and my daughter. And they're probably going to be like, I don't know, 1-inch, 2-inch circles. And then I will place those pictures, strategically on the tree. So I thought I'd put my husband here, myself here, and our daughter down here, something along those lines. And what's the beauty of this when you make a heritage memory quilt is each tree is a different branch of the family. So I'm going to make another quilt block, and I will have my mom and dad and my siblings, and then if I have photos, that you can just keep going from there. And like I said, this is a slow stitch kit in my Etsy shop. So what comes in the kit? This pattern here. And so what I did is I cut my piece of muslin. Obviously this is an 8.5 by 11. So I cut the piece of muslin, I put it on top, and then I just started to fill in the pattern behind it. And that worked out the best. Now a tip for you is to decide what pieces you want to cut out for your leaves and the flowers. Whatever you want to put on your tree is up to you. You will be getting these exact fabrics in your kit for you to cut out. So the solid pieces or the leaves I cut myself, and the print ones obviously were on the fabric design. So I just cut those out and just sprinkle them in as well. You will be getting this textured trunk and branches fabric that you cut, and this bottom piece here representing the roots. I just kind of, I cut it in a little scalloped, and then came in like a V on each corner. And you can do the same thing with your branches, make it weavy and wavy. Weave your pair of scissors. And so, but the texture of this is just perfect for a tree. Isn't that gorgeous? So that you will get a piece of this fabric in your kit as well. So you will have enough pieces of fabric in the kit, and a few vintage buttons will be sprinkled in as well. I always put in vintage buttons. You also receive a 3-inch little embroidery hoop that comes in the kit as well. And whatever buttons that I decide to put in from my stash is what you will receive. And then I also include embroidery floss. I give you 3 different colors and a yard each of the colors in with your kit. And so you get this background piece of muslin, you have the pattern piece, and all the fabrics, the little embroidery hoop and vintage buttons, and the 3 colors of floss to be able to complete your kit. There is no needle, so you'll have to provide your needle, your creativity, and your time, and then just decide from there how you want to do it. So if you want to enlarge this and make it easier for you to see, that would be great. You can actually tape the pattern to the muslin, put it up against a window, sliding door, tape it, and then you can stand there with a transfer pen, an embroidery transfer pen like this one, and you actually can transfer the whole pattern onto the piece of muslin. So there's many ways to go about this, but for me, all I had to do was lay it on top and then just started filling it in with the leaves and the flowers and the branches. I started off with the branches, the trunk, and the roots, and then I just laid it out from there. And then now this is still not completed, but I just wanted to show you what I've done with it so far. Once I get the pictures added on here, and then I'm going to be adding some more things in. I'm going to come in with some of my fibers here and go run down the branches with some of the fibers and add a few more things like that. And I'll probably add a little bit some French knots in the centers of places, and just some little running stitches in the center of the leaves. So there's a lot more to do, and then I will put batting behind this, and I'm going to actually frame this piece, and then it will be completed. But I thought that was absolutely lovely, gorgeous, and what a wonderful gift this would make. It would make a beautiful anniversary gift. So a baby shower gift, so many different beautiful things, a grandparent's gift. And so just, think about what would you do with it and have fun with it. So I hope to see you in my Etsy shop, marketsofsunshine.store. And it's just been a beautiful day today, and welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much. And we're close to 900 subscribers, so once we reach the 900, we will be doing our next giveaway, and I can't wait to host that. And then I will be giving away some store credits to my Etsy shop, Markets of Sunshine. So be sure to sign up for my mailing list at sunshine-makers-club.com, and head over to my Etsy shop and just favorite all of the items that you love. And then once we reach 900, then I'll do the giveaway. To be entered in the giveaway, you have to be subscribing to my channel. You have to be a member, sign up for my newsletter, and then favorite the items that you like in my Etsy shop. And then I will be giving several store credits away. So multiple opportunities to win, not just to one person. So I always give at least a minimum of 3 different store credits. So thank you so much for being here with me today. I hope you will pick up one of these beautiful Family Tree Heritage Slow Stitch kits and make one for yourself. And you can do the leaves in any color you want. This is just the color I came up with. And but you can just have so much fun with this. You could actually take the flowers and cut leaf shapes out of those. So just have a lot of fun with it. It's just a great little project to do. And sitting on the couch, oh my goodness, I had so much fun doing this kit, and I just hope you will give it a try. So thank you for being here with me. Stay safe, keep creating in the sunshine, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.